bus?
Our bus is comfortable. The prices are good. Even we have the VIP section, the BCD.
The manufacturer is here in Uganda?
Yeah, they are manufactured here in Uganda. These are Ugandan made cars.
Ugandan made cars.
Yeah.
It's called?
Kiira Motor.
Katebe akaredi aweko mukadde wafuna ayingira bamagenda ali katebe karedi.
We have two routes. We have the one facing Nakawa and the one facing Equatorial. I think when you are coming to the bus facing
Facing the other side.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have brought this forward to South Africa, and today I brought you to Tondeka bus, the best and convenient bus in Kampala city. It is the best bus you can use if you only have 1,000 and you want to transport something to Ntinda. You can use that 1,000, then you take it to Ntinda, you give it to someone you want, and then you go back with that 1,000. It is really a nice and convenient bus. They are giving you the best experience and a good customer care. The drivers are experienced, and they are giving you the best means of transport. So if you want to use Tondeka bus in town, you can only find it at Kampala Road near Mapeera. That's the first stage, and they are using different stages on Kampala and Ntinda Road via Nakawa. So if you want to use Tondeka bus, it is only 1,000. You can use that 1,000 from Kampala to Ntinda, and then you go back, so long as you don't get out of this car. That's the best thing I have noticed on this Tondeka bus. And this is the conductor of this bus. How are you, madam? Okay, I am Lo. This is called South Africa, and we are doing YouTube videos. I have decided to ask you some questions about Tondeka bus. So please tell me, from here, where the next stage?
Complex.
Complex?
Yeah.
The next stage is called complex. Okay.
We pay per route.
Per route.
From here to Ntinda 1,000.
To Ntinda.
From Ntinda to town 1,000.
Right.
You can decide to rotate the whole thing, as long as you pay 1,000. So long
Okay.
as you don't get out of our bus.
Okay. So do you have time that you're working in this time and this time? At what time do you start?
We start at 6:30.
At
6:30.
You're starting at 6:30 in the morning,
Yeah.
and up to what time?
9:30.
Up to 9:30.
Yeah, at night.
Okay. Okay, guys, this is Tondeka bus. The next stop is Equatorial stage. Yeah, they are charging just 1,000 from here to Ntinda. It is the best means of transport I've seen in Kampala, and it is working very well. I want you to comment down there and tell me what do you think about this means of transport. It is new in Uganda, but it's doing well compared to taxis and border. They can take you from Kampala to Ntinda at 5,000, but these ones are charging just only 1,000. I think it is the best means of transport in Kampala. According to me, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me what about Tondeka bus in Uganda. So guys, now we are in Wandegea. We are in Wandegea. It is taking a lot of people, and they are not squeezed like in taxis. They squeeze us so much, and they are charging a lot of money. What I can tell you, please use Tondeka bus. It is the best means of transport. I think you can see which names. You can see the passengers. You can see them very well. They are not squeezed, and we are moving smoothly. So if you've been following us, I'm sure I showed you the update about Nakawa Stadium. It is under renovation. You can check it out from here. This is the video.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me
Now this is Mulago. Now guys, we are at Mulago roundabout. Now what is this? Validator. What do you use when they are paying?
But now we are using cards.
Let me see the card.
This is the card. Just tap it here.
Oh, and this is the card they are using?
That's money.
You do like how?
When someone enters,
And it gives you money, you give the card.
no, I just tap. Tap, take it. Then you pay.
Like that. Like that, guys. Now it means that someone has entered it. Okay, from the card. It is very nice and very easy to use. Hope people are liking it. They are well prepared, and they have the fire extinguisher.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
How many routes do you do per day?
Because we work in shifts.
You work in shifts.
We work for 8 hours.
It depends on the jam.
But they're supposed to be 16.
They're supposed to be 16.
Where it stays, way back a year ago.
Kateba akaredi ali kateba akaredi aweko mukadde waffe n'ayingira mama agenda ali katebe akaredi ali katebe akaredi wako mukadde waffe yatuleka awo eyanziza kikoze.
I think you can witness the customer care. All the woman has entered, and the driver was telling someone that is having a seat to help the old woman to sit. The customer care is wonderful. How I wish we have many Tondeka buses in Kampala.
abantu be Kamocha kibeereko wano. Kamocha
Now passengers are moving out at Kamocha stage. Now this is the driver telling them to get out. He's using that mic. Now he's starting again the engine. We are in Kamocha just right now.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Tondeka bus is just really amazing.
Baby, you give
It's the best means of transport you should not miss.
you whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So now I'm going to get off the Tondeka bus because I need to get out. I think you have enjoyed this trip. You have enjoyed it so much. What I can say just right now, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe and press the notification bell. We have stopped from Kamocha and we shall start from here to finish our journey with Tondeka bus in part 2. Please watch this video, it's also nice. It's about Nambole Stadium. Stay safe, bye bye.
Whip up my appetite.